Hey everyone, meet Brian Kliss, inventor of the Kliss clamp and now the shoot straight. This goes on the bottom of your nail gun. It's absolutely incredible. It allows you to shoot your nails without ever worrying about them winding out, reducing defects, increasing quality, and reducing the stress of you saying, oh man, I don't want to get a wind out. This is a tight nail job. So watch Brian demonstrate how to put it on every nail gun. It's very cool, very simple, very fast, and very effective. And again, another great idea coming from the shop floor.
Hey, this is Brian Kliss. This is called the Shoot Straight, and it prevents blowouts on your staple gun or your pinner by aligning it with the panel. Every gun's different, so there's lots of different situations. SKS is one of the widest guns used in the industry, and it's already set up. It has a metal surface right here, and it just sticks there. This has a magnet, and this aligns your panel so you can shoot and nothing shoots out in different directions, no shiners, no blowouts. Every gun's different. I'm gonna demonstrate the Grex gun today. Shoot straight, it comes a little long and you trim it to fit. So what you have to do is calculate what it's gonna take to get your gun straight. So this new Grex 21 gauge gun, it's made mostly out of aluminum and composite. So it got this self-stick washer right here with PSA adhesive on the back side. You stick that to your gun, and then that sticks to the magnet, and it also allows it to not slide around, so it kind of captures itself on there. Great solution. For this particular gun, I'm going to take 7/8 off the gun. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this little guy off, and I'm just going to mark 7/8. Take some cutters. I just try to straighten it out like that. I'm going to put that cap back on. Okay, so that should be cut to fit, and then because it's got a little recess in there, it snaps onto this little washer here. So now what we have should have a perfectly straight panel. So now what we can do is plug in our gun. And now what we have, my gun is perfectly straight. And now that pin is going to go straight into the panel. It's not going to deflect one way or the other. I can flip it around, do the other side. You can really just go all day long, not even thinking about alignment. You can just go all day long.
If you think about what Brian's done here, he's reduced the burden of nailing by 50% because you're only focused on the setback, not on the angle.
The other nice thing about the Shoot Straight is that when you do not need it, you can just store it out of the way at another magnetic surface on the gun. So, because sometimes you want to just, if you're nailing off a piece of crown, you need that articulation of the gun. So if you need that, you just store it off the gun somewhere on a magnetic surface. On the SKS, it's really easy because this is an L bracket that's all metal, so you can just do that. And perfectly aligned nails with your panels. No more blowouts, no more shiners. Check out the Shoot Straight by FastCap.